There's something interesting going on in the world lately. People are seemingly terrified of pressure. And I want you to know something. Pressure's good. Pressure's incredibly good. And I want you to get used to and comfortable with moving into pressure. Pressure often brings people up to the best skill or highest level because it forces you to focus. And I think a little bit of pressure is really important for an actor. Sometimes a lot of pressure. You get an audition, you're looking at it, you know you have to be somewhere with it. It's going to make you really prepare. Preparation is everything. Don't go out to the bar, okay? Set aside time to really focus and prepare. Why are you preparing anyway? You're preparing because you care about it. Why are you preparing? Because you've prepared your whole life for this. Haven't you? All up to this moment for you to make a discovery, for you to discover whether or not you can bring everything you've got for this audition. So pressure is important. I've noticed that actors sometimes are afraid to put in the time because they're afraid to find out what their value is. And they're afraid that their value isn't as high as they were hoping. And so they avoid preparing so that they'll never find out. But I'll tell you something. The more you prepare, the more you'll rise to where you think and know you could be. You see, we're all trying to get to that ideal place in our art. We may never catch that ideal place, but the more we practice and the more we prepare, the closer we'll get to it. So that's what's so important about pressure, is putting yourself in positions where you bring on the pressure so that when the big pressures happen, like you get a starring role in a feature or you get that series regular audition, that you're ready for the pressure of being on that set every day and the expectations that will follow with that. Hi, I'm Kimberly Jensen. Please comment and please subscribe.